Hello everyone. As the title says, this is a guide for building an egg incubator. In order to keep my videos short and sweet, I will leave out certain aspects of the project. If, however, you are completely clueless about any of these aspects, you are invited to support me on my Patreon page and state your desires for further explanations and videos there. The first such aspect is the construction of a container. While mine serves its function just fine, I posted a link below to someone who put much more effort into its design and construction, although I would make it more light-proof in his case, as any light emitted from it is also lost energy. So, supposing that you have the container in place, what's left to do is to assemble the electrical system, and every electrical system that contains an Arduino requires some Arduino code, so let's get into that. First, you need to have the Arduino software installed. I posted the link to the official website below. Once you have that, you need to import a so-called library for the temperature and humidity sensor into the Arduino software. I posted a link to the instructions on how to do this as well. Then you have to open the Arduino IDE that was installed with the software, put in the right code and save the file, and upload it to your Arduino microcontroller. You can get the code either on my GitHub page, the link to which I also posted below, or you can copy it by typing what you see on the screen at the moment. Once the code is successfully uploaded, this aspect of the project is done. What is left then is to put all electrical components in their place and correctly wire them together. This can be done following this schematic. If you want, you can also add an air fan to distribute the heat evenly. And if you have an air humidifier, you can wire it to the system the same way the heat source is wired. The code I provided is already set to control air humidity as well. It's set to turning on the humidifier if air humidity drops below 50% and to turning on the heat source if the air temperature drops below 37 degrees Celsius. If you would then like to raise the threshold for air humidity at any time, you can simply change the 50.0 in the 12th row of the code to any number less than 100. And upload the updated code to the Arduino. You can even upload the code while your Arduino is up and running. Let me show you another feature. This particular code is written so that if you have your Arduino plugged in your computer with an USB cable, you can click the serial port button in the Arduino IDE like this. You can then see the air temperature and air humidity inside your egg incubator, updating every 5 seconds. And some final instructions. Eggs should be rotated 2 to 3 times daily. But even more importantly, please do exercise extreme caution while working with electricity. If you're not yet skilled enough, make the electrical parts of the project under supervision of someone who is skilled enough. Much less than 220 volts can already kill a human. That's it for this video. As said at the beginning, if you want any additional help, you can at any time become my patron and reciprocal help will be provided. Thanks for watching and bye bye.